Welcome to our quick guide on downloading transcriptions from VTMS. If you would like to download the transcription that you've edited on the transcription and timing page as a file, you can go to Export and Download. Find Scripts. There are two file formats that you can download from VTMS. The first one is a TXT file that contains text only. The second one is an SRT file that contains timecodes. Additionally, if you are preparing the transcription for translation, we also support downloading an Excel file where translation can be inputted. The same Excel file can be re-uploaded to VTMS, where both transcription and translation are preserved. And that's it. You can now successfully download the transcription from VTMS. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.